Welcome back. So we're getting married soon, so we're going to make some projects for the wedding. One of them is going to be a table chart to tell everybody where they're going to be sitting. So my fiance had a vision in her head, and it is now my job to make it come to life, hopefully, and follow along. Hopefully you'll like it too. To start out, I had a 1x6. So what I ended up doing is ripping it down to this size, which is like 3 inches. It's the size I decided I liked. So I just went ahead and moved my fence to line up with it, and we're just gonna rip it down. This is also where I realized I lost the footage of me ripping it. I got a 6-foot board, so to make it easy, I'm just gonna cut 2 or 3 2-foot sections so they all match. That was a quick preview of how it's going to look, kind of how the 2 pieces are going to be on the outside and the one's going to slide back. This is a 10-degree angle, and that's the angle I want for that to lean on. All I'm doing here is just marking the center of the board, because the taper I want to come off from the center. Again, I'm sticking with a 10-degree angle, so I'm just going to mark off from the center down the board. If you're more comfortable with your miter saw than I am, you can use that, or your table saw if you know how to make a jig. I'm not great at it, so I just stuck with what I know and did it by hand. After cutting it, I gave it a quick sand just to get rid of the saw marks. So now I'm getting ready to drill the hole for the bolt that's going to hold it together. Jumping into the shelf here. I'm going to mortise it, so I'm marking the boards where I need to cut out the little slot, so that'll give it more rigidity and help it from moving around. now that I got the layout I like, I'm going to go ahead and glue it. While I was gluing that, I went ahead and I glued a little lip on there just so it'll hold it from falling off. A little safety. So now I'm going to go ahead and stain it. After staining it, I put on some final touches, which is this piece of twine here and a bolt up top. I also went ahead and I sanded the middle one there so that way when you set something on there, it's not going to hit that part there and have an, like it sit flush on this back part here. We're going to use ours for table seat for our wedding, which is coming up in a couple weeks. And the fiance wanted something, so this is what I came up with.